Hello everyone. This is an instructional video on how to start component 2 of your Touring the Biomes project. So, at this point, your research should be entirely complete. That is all 4 biomes and your individual favorite place. Please remember this is an individual project, and although you collaborated together to do the research on your 4 biomes, you are creating your very own Google Earth and your own Screencastify video presentation. So let's begin. So, how to get to Google Earth is on Google, type Google Earth. It's the very first link that pops up. When it pops up and it loads, please click Launch Earth. And this gets you to the screen that I'm at. So, to begin, you want to familiarize yourself with the bar here. So, if you click the very first one, this is the menu. Here you can see you have your search, your Voyager, your projects, and your map style. So for the very first thing, I want you to click Map Style. Map Style brings up all the ways that you can look at the globe. You can have it clean, where it gets rid of all borders, labels, clouds, etc. You can have your exploration, where you're just trying to see a few features of it. Or you can have your everything, which shows all borders, labels, places, roads, transits, landmarks, and water. I personally want you guys working on it having everything. Why? Because it's nice to familiarize yourselves with landmarks and geography. So if you scroll down, you see that you have additional options. You will have the option of turn on or off animated clouds. Currently have them off, but if it's on, you will see that the clouds here, they move. This is really cool because say there's a natural disaster going on such as a hurricane, you could actually visualize it here. So we're going to turn those off. You want to turn on your grid lines though. The grid lines are important because as you see, what pops up is your latitude and your longitude. This helps us when we are trying to locate our biomes. So once you have it set on everything, animated clouds off and grid lines on, go ahead and click back. And now what you want to do is click on projects. So when you click on projects, being that this is the first time we are creating a project, you want to click create. So when you click create project, this menu pops up. Please create project in Google Drive. As you guys can see, I'm already signed in. But if you were for some reason not signed in, you will have to sign in using your Huntington Beach Union High School district email. Please do that. Do not sign into your personal email. So once you create the project, now it begins the time where you edit it. So to edit the title, you want to click on this pencil here. So when you click it, this pops up. You want to rename your project to the following: Project Touring the Biome, and oops, and you want to put your last name. So it's Project Touring the Biome and have your last name in parentheses. This makes it a little bit easier for me to find and for to understand whose I am grading. Now for the description is asking about what's the purpose of this project? What are you doing here? So what we want to write for our description is the purpose of this project is to travel the virtual world and explore new biomes. The following the following are the names of the locations that I researched. Desert. Here where I'm writing name capitalized letters, you would write your name. Or not your name, sorry, you're the name of your biomes. Grassland, rainforest, tundra, and my favorite place. So once you have that, you can click away, and it says It has it all here entered for you. The purpose of this project is to travel the virtual world and explore new biomes. The following are the names of the locations that I researched: desert, grassland, rainforest, tundra, and my favorite place. So now we have an appropriate title and appropriate description. This enables us to now be able to begin adding locations and landmarks to our project. So you want to click on the new feature and click Search Add to Place. When you click Search Add to Place, the search bar pops up, and now you are able to search for your very first biome. Say my desert is let's say the Sahara Desert. So it's the Sahara Desert. It's going to take me around the globe, and let's see where it is. All right. So now it has found it. As you guys can see on the map, it's right here. So I'm going to click Add to Project. When I click Add to Project, this screen pops up. You want to edit the title, add Desert Biome to the title. That way, when it is saved, it is categorized for you and you know exactly which one it is. So I'm going to click Save. And as you see, this pops up again. And when it pops up, you're going to want to edit the information. As you guys can see right here, when it pops up, this information isn't ours. This is from Wikipedia. Wikipedia is not a good source, so we're going to fill it in with the information that we researched. So you want to go over here and click the pencil. When you click the pencil, this section is going to pop up. You want to click Replace. And here in the description box, this is where you add all of your research. Add all of your research. That means you're adding your abiotic factors, such as the temperature, the rainfall in the summer, rainfall in the winter, your latitude and longitude. You're adding your biotic factors, such as your producer 1, your producer 2, your consumer 1, and your consumer 2. So here in the picture, go ahead and add a picture of the biome that you researched. For me, it was the Sahara Desert, so I am adding the Sahara Desert. So now I have all that information. If you recall when I said that you were doing your research, not to worry too much about the second GPS location. We will handle it when we do the Google Earth portion. If you scroll down over here, you will see that your latitude and longitude is present. Now, it is possible that these are the exact coordinates that you found, and these are the ones you entered. So if that's the case, if you look at the bottom right hand corner over here, you'll see the latitude and longitude constantly changing as you are shifting around the globe on Google Earth. So what you need to do is just select the location near it. So I'll select this location. So now my second GPS location will be 2352 north, 2808 east. So now to save it, you just click back. And as you can see, when you click it, it's going to be changed with all your new information that you researched and a new picture. So I am currently offering extra credit. If you add a picture of yourself in the biome, say you toured to the Sahara Desert before, please add it. Say you've never toured outside of Huntington Beach, or sorry, haven't traveled outside of Huntington Beach, don't freak out. Simply Photoshop yourself there. Um, I mainly want it for your favorite place. So if your favorite place is Disneyland, McDonald's, Huntington Beach Pier, please add a picture uh, of yourself at your favorite place. So what we just did was we added our biome. You want to do this for every single one of your biomes. So that means when you're now looking for the grassland, you would type your grassland, right? Say it's this grassland in Kenya. Clearly, it's not Pete's Coffee in Kenya. So let's say my grassland was about over here to the Monrovia Peak. I would just add it to my project, grassland, save. I would do the exact same thing. And then I would keep doing it uh, with my rainforest, my tundra. So now I'm going to add my favorite place. Uh, it's Renderson Park in Lakewood. So when I'm adding my favorite place, I'm going to click Add to Project. For my title, I want to make sure that I title it appropriately. So my favorite place, Renderson Park. Save. So now, what's great about this project is you have multiple points set around the world. So for my favorite place, I'm actually going to edit it and I'm going to change the place marker. I'm going to put a heart. Why? Because I love this place. I like this place a lot because I go have picnics there with my fiance. It's our favorite park. So now, if you would click your project, you get to see how it changes all around the world, little by little. So if you would click present, now you get to see your actual project and it shows you. So that is how you do this project. Please remember you're doing it on all four biomes and on your favorite place. So you should have 5 locations. Remember, please add a video or a picture of yourself at your favorite spot or at these biomes for extra credit. If you have any questions, please feel free to email me.